Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our NIVS home school. My dear students, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sanjida, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I will take a general science class for the student of class 1 and our today's lecture number 6, and our today's class topic is chapter 3, word meaning and one word answer and short note. Now let's start our class. The name of our chapter is the plant genera. It's chapter 3 from our book, and in our previous class we read this chapter and do the exercise. Today we will read one word answer from this chapter. Number 1. What are plants growing in water called? Answer: water plants. So number 2. Which plants live only for a few months? Answer: herbs. Again I repeat, which plants live only for a few months? We know that herbs live only for a few months. Question number 3. Which plants need support of another plants or sticks to stand? Answer: climbers. Again I repeat the question. Which plants need support of another plants or stick to stand? Answer: climbers. And question number 4. Which plants crawl along the ground? Answer: creepers. Again I repeat the question. Which plants crawl along the ground? Its answer is creepers. Now we will read short note. The short note name is plants around us. Our short note name is plants around us. Plants are living things. They can grow in soil and in water. They have different shapes and sizes. Plants having tall, big and strong stems are called tree. Plants having short and weak stems are called climber. Creeper plants crawl along the ground. Plants may live for just a few months or for hundreds of years. My dear students, again I repeat the short note. Short note name: plants around us. Plants are living things. They can grow in soil and in water. They have different shapes and sizes. Plants having tall, big and strong stems are called tree. Plants having short and weak stems are called climber. Creeper plants crawl along the ground. Plants may live for just a few months or for hundreds of years. My dear students, I hope you understand our today's lecture, and your homework for the next week is homework number 5, short note. My dear students, you will do the homework in your home properly in general science copy and submit it on Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Till then, keep well. Assalamu alaikum.